I'm sincerely sorry to say this, but AI is going to phase out each of us. People are scared, and I can understand that they are scared because of AI. Some developers approached me and said that what will happen to our job if we accept AI, if we start using Cursor and Lovable and Emergent and Base 44 and V0, Bolt, all of the available options which are there in the market, what will happen to our jobs then? Who will keep us as an employee in their organization if this are going to do the coding for the organization? So let me tell you that the only thing that can replace you is the mindset. If you do not transform from a coder, from a developer into a manager role, you cannot survive against artificial intelligence. There is a time in which time you will get phased out. I'm sure that the jobs which are there today as a developer, they are there because the organization has attachment with its people, because there is someone who is doing a certain role, a AMC role or everything. But there is going to be a phase out happening very soon. And before that happens to each of us, we have to transform into a manager. So AI is like 30 workers, 30 coders, 50 coders, 100 coders working under you. You will have to give them command. You will have to tell them that this is my business model, this is my FRS document or SRS document, and based on that, develop the software for me. So first is that you have to use a generative engine, something like ChatGPT or Grok or Claude or Gemini or Perplexity. Use this to develop a document first. How do you develop a document? By asking questions. I don't know anything. I want to start developing a software. Ask me questions. It will ask you questions. You keep on answering questions, and then 200, 300, 500 page document would get prepared in less than a day's time, less than 2 days' time. And then after that, you have to just put that document into one of these softwares, the V0, the Bolt or Cursor or Base 44 or Lovable, and that's it. It starts making a software for you, and the software is ready. After the software is ready, you have to check whether everything is working. Just like a manager will check that the job which was given to you, is that job done or not. You will see that 90 to 95% job is done right. Then you will see that, oh, some of the things that I wanted have not been done accurately. Again, you give command that no, this point was missing, that point was missing. Give those 4-5 points that were missing, and again it will develop, and this time it will ensure that all the mistakes, all the errors that were coming earlier, those are gone. In less than 2-3 hours time, a massive big software which could have taken more than 6 months, 12 months time, that is developed, that is ready. But the mindset here has to change. We have to unlearn hard coding methods. I was talking to a couple of my team members. They said that this is not right way of developing software. This is cheating. You are just bypassing the science of development, software development. You have to hardcore yourself. You have to use C. You have to use Go language yourself, and then only your software can be done. Let me tell each of such champion technology experts that if you do not unlearn the way you have been coding in the past, AI will replace you. I am sincerely sorry to say this, but AI is going to phase out each of us. Even I am running ahead of the train. AI is the train running behind me, and I have to be fast enough to ensure that I am always ahead of the train, or the train will run over me. We all are running ahead of this train. Time has come that we have to put the fire engine behind us, which is faster than this AI train running behind us, and that fire engine is the management skills. We have to learn to manage all the documents, all the code, everything that is going to be developed by AI. Always remember one thing, that this war is not against the machines. We have to collaborate with machines. So man against machine has to be replaced in our mind with man and machine.